Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're making mandazis today and these are the ingredients we're going to need. We'll start by adding the sugar into a bowl. Followed by the butter. Next, we'll mix the two ingredients until there are no loose crystals lying around and the mixture becomes nice and soft. Once that is done, we'll pour in our flour and rub that into the butter and sugar. Make sure there are no lumps. We are at this point going to add our baking powder and mix again. Be thorough about the mixing because we do not want one part of the mandazi to taste different from the rest of it. So once that is done, we're going to beat our 2 eggs lightly and then add it to our mixture. Give that a good mix as well. You'll notice that the eggs are not enough to make it into a dough. So this is where the milk comes in. We're going to add a little at a time as we mix. So first we'll put a little of it and mix. Paying attention to the texture that's developing because we need it to be soft and yet firm. So we'll add some more milk and keep mixing. As soon as you're satisfied with the consistency you have, you may transfer this mixture onto your countertop so that you can mix it better. Start by flouring your countertop to stop the dough from sticking to it. And then give the dough a thorough knead. Basically, the movement is to bring the sides to the center as you rotate it at the same time. That's how you give it a thorough knead. And this is your result, which you're then going to roll out into a strip. Just like that. It doesn't have to be very long. Once you have your strip, you're going to cut it to pieces, the sizes of which will be determined by how big or how small you want your mandazis to be. So each piece will be rolled into a small ball and set aside. Once all the balls are done, roll them out to the rolling pin, taking care not to make them too thin because if you make them too thin, your mandazis are going to be hollow. We're then going to cut each piece into 4. Repeat the process for all your balls. Just roll them out and cut to 4, roll them out and cut to 4. This is the thickness you want, so you gently dip that into preheated oil, taking care not to splash, taking care not to crowd your pan. As soon as they start rising, you're going to turn them. This is done so that you can prevent them from cracking. After the first side is brown, you'll turn them over so that the second side can brown as well. Once you have the shade of brown that you want, you can lift them off the pan, drain them, and set them aside. Repeat the process for the remaining pieces, and your mandazis are ready. This is what they look like on the inside, cooked all the way through. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.